We're out today, out on the 916, out with Taffy on her Ninja. You right, Taff?
Yeah, I'm good. You?
Yeah, all good. So we're going to go out for a ride, get some things sorted. Should we hop on and go? Let's get this bad boy started. Let's get it in neutral. Right, so out together. We've got a few little errands to take care of. Bad news. Flipping bad news, guys. This is not good news. Taffy is being made redundant. And yeah, it's not great, really, to be honest. So we've got a few little things we need to sort out. Taffy has already got an interview, though, lined up for tomorrow. So we're going to take care of a few little things we need to do today. Let's get on the road and we'll start talking a bit more. Yeah, we came out and I said to Taffy, do you actually want to do a vlog about this today? And she was like, yeah, let's keep it real like we always do. So we're keeping it real, guys. Where is Taffy? Here she comes. Yeah, we're keeping it real. Yeah, the bad news is, like I said, Taffy's got made redundant from her job. About 40 staff have lost their jobs. And yeah, she's one of them. And no real great prospect of anything changing in the company she works for anytime soon. They're closing up shop, maybe for this and next year. So yeah, we're a bit stuffed, I'll be honest. As I've said many times before, we both work for kind of minimum wage, and yeah, there's not a great deal of spare money each month. Well, there is, you know, enough for us to enjoy our bikes and do the things we do. But as I said before as well in some previous vlogs, we started out 2020 with the mindset of kind of going for it, and bought a load of cameras, drones, new bikes, all to be enjoyed on the channel. And yeah, I would be lying to say that this has not left us in a bit of a tight spot, because obviously we were fine before, but you take Taffy's wage away and then we do start actually ending up in a tight spot. So yeah, a bit of a funny carry on from the previous video of saying within my job there's changes. There could be more yet. I'm pretty kind of, I feel pretty kind of sadly confident that they're going to make some redundancies as well, and I am worried about my job. So there's Grizz going out and talking about downsizing his vehicles so he can have some sensible commuting bike as such. That is still going to have to happen, but maybe not on quite the same budget. I might have to rethink how much I'm going to spend. I cannot see me doing any kind of PCP deal now on some kind of brand new Super Duke, as much as I flipping well love the Super Duke. Yeah, I don't think that is advisable at the moment. So yeah, basically I'm selling off the Ducati, my lovely Ducati 916, and the Hayabusa, and I will buy something more sensibly priced. And yeah, that will be my commuter. I've just sold our car to me old mate Mark. I hope you enjoy that one, Mark. It's a bloody good quality car, sorted out by Phil to me. And yeah, so I'm sold that in good confidence and good faith to Mark that it's going to be good transport for him. He's just chuffed with it. I'm chuffed it's kind of worked out for him and for us. So yeah, it basically means Taffy was basically working local to home and walking to work each day. So that was absolutely brilliant, and we've had that scenario for quite some years. So it's freed up quite a lot of our money. I don't really want to talk about our finances, but I'm gonna. As always on this channel, I keep things real and share probably too much, but what the hell. Anyway, yeah, so Taffy's worked locally to home and basically walked to work. I've had use of a company van and just used that for kind of commuting to and from work. So our outgoings, commuting wise, have been 0 for years, and because of that, it's given us more flexibility with our money. We're pretty kind of savvy with our money. We don't really waste it. I say waste it. I mean, I've done a lot of bought a lot of bikes, I guess, and done a lot of things for the channel and stuff, which hasn't been cheap, but it's been fun. So yeah, basically that income at the moment has disappeared. The savings on commuting for both of us will be shortly disappearing, so things are about to get expensive, and I need to have a big rethink, and it really has now absolutely forced my hand to get rid of the Ducati and the Hayabusa. So they're going, Sally guys. Sorry, I know there's people out there that would hate to see them go. I am one of them, so is Taffy, but you know, I've got to face up to the reality of this situation and keep a roof over our head. That is the first and foremost, most important thing. But you know, I remain hopeful that Taffy can find another job without too much hassle. And what a lovely flipping pull-out. Wanker! So anyway, that's enough of my road rage. Sorry. So yeah, we've got to... Taffy's potentially going to use her bike for commuting. She's only got a bike licence. She's not got a car licence. So I've sold the car to buy a smaller car. And go on, love. Go on ahead. Go on. It's okay. Just telling Taffy to get in front, basically, because I've got this car behind me which I was just giving abuse, and I don't want her to be the sandwich to be the meat in the sandwich. You get my thing? So yeah. Sorry, I'm a little bit ruffled. Yeah, I'm a little bit plonker. Thank you everyone, you've all been amazing. Yeah, so Taffy's going to, for the meantime, use her bike for commuting. I'm going to use whatever's available, but I'm also going to teach Taffy to drive and hopefully get her car driving license, so she doesn't have to commute on her bike all winter. Because I know she's up to it, but I don't want to see her going out in the ice and the snow and the rain every day to work. So we're going to try and get her sorted with a car license, and then she can use the car, and I'll do all the commuting in the flipping rain and the snow. I don't know, maybe I'll end up getting another cheap runaround car. We'll see. Early days yet. One step at a time, but at the moment we're getting Taffy's CV sorted, ready for tomorrow's interview, and yeah, that's that kind of done. And the rest will kind of unfold as it kind of unfolds, I guess. It's such a messed up year. Taffy's job has been so secure, and mine, for so long, and it's taken this scenario of what's going on this year to bring us unstuck a bit. But I did say there was a chance that it could happen, and it is happening. So yeah, I need to sell the bikes, but it's not like we're kind of, you know, in a mess if we don't sell them. But it's far from ideal, absolutely far from ideal. So I need to get us sorted. So sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it's yeah, it's not flipping good news. yeah, annoying and frustrating, but that's life. Alright, I just wanted to get you in front of me, so I didn't, because of the car pulled out in front of me and I gave him a bit of abuse. I didn't want it, you being the meat in the sandwich as such, you know. Thought I'd let him kind of take it out on me.
Yeah, nobody likes a car on bike sandwich.
No. So yeah, Taffy's in good spirits. She's in good spirits. I'm in okay spirits. It's not ideal. As I said, none of this is ideal. But we've managed all these years, and we'll continue to manage, and I'm sure it'll all be fine, and hopefully I can bring you some good news in a future vlog. Yeah, I'm still tempted to go out and still do some test rides. Riding the Super Duke did give me the taste for the bit again, and I would like to go and do some more. So I expect I will still do some test rides, because I know I've kind of talked it all up to you lot, saying I'm going to ride all these bikes, and now you're probably all thinking, no, we're not going to see all those lovely test rides. Well, I'll still go, okay? But I'm just going to have to keep it in mind that I'm not buying. I very much doubt I'm buying. Right, also, now, the bikes, the 916 and the Hayabusa, as I said, they're going to go up for sale. The 916, jump over onto our Twitter account, or my Twitter account, and I did do a little kind of thread discussing the value of the 916 and the value of the Hayabusa. And we had a fair bit of participation on both kind of voting formats of saying how much it's worth, and people airing their thoughts in it all. And basically it's rounded out as the Ducati being valued roughly anything from around 7,000 to 8,000. Some of them are worth like mega money, but this one's not original red Ducati, although in my books it's a very special Ducati, and Ducati UK thought it was rather special to have it up on their stand at last year's NEC. So yeah, basically I'm looking for starting around 8,000. There is some flexibility on that price, but I'm hoping for around 8,000. The Hayabusa, I did the same thing on Twitter again, asked everyone what they thought it was worth. And based on that, I'm going to put it up for sale for 6,000 or near offer, as it stands at the moment, covered with all that carbon fibre and full Akaprovic exhaust, flipping gills, rear sets, etc., loads of stuff, and it's been absolutely adorned with restoration, as you saw in the build series. So yeah, that is basically what's going on with those bikes. I've not advertised them yet, but I will get them up for sale. Taffy's bike, as I said right from the start, we're going to keep that. There's no way I want her to lose her bike. She's had to work hard for that bike over the years, and I've had many bikes over the years, and I would be more gutted to see her bike go than any of mine go. So I'll make sure that hers doesn't go anywhere. And the BMW Scrambler build will get built. I bought a tank for it the day before we heard that Taffy was getting made redundant. So yeah, that's gonna continue. I've got some plans for the tank. You'll see why I bought it when I start the series. I've had like zero time for doing much really this week from an editing standpoint, from a standpoint of getting in the garage or kind of putting ads up. It's been a busy week, what with Taffy getting made redundant, sorting things out, and feeling sorry for ourselves. But yeah, I'll do my best to get something up soon. Some more vlogs going. I still want to try and concentrate on the channel, and still want to try and make more of it, even when we're our budget is on a shoestring. the Taffmeister. Oh. See, I couldn't take that bike away from her, could I? No way. So, yeah, lots of changes basically, guys. Anyway, I think that's enough for today's vlog. Was there anything else I missed? Not really. No, I don't think so. That'll do for today. You've all been amazing. I've been kind of average. Taff has been awesome, and I can't wait to find. I can't wait. Well, I cannot wait. Actually, I'm talking rubbish. I look forward to bringing you the next vlog, hopefully with some kind of more positive news for you all. I hope everyone else is doing all right, and I hope I know there's a few others I've heard that have been losing their jobs as well. So my thoughts go out to you, and let's hope we can get on top of all this stuff, guys, and put it behind us. And let's hope 2021 is an even better year, eh? Which way is Taffy gonna go? I'm not sure. All right, lots of love to you all. Catch you on the next one, and we'll speak soon. Cheers, guys. See ya. Bye.